So looking at these three fractions, we're trying to figure out what is the LCD. This stands for lowest common denominator. So from what it stands for, lowest common denominator, we're only going to be looking at the denominators. So 4, 30, and 45 is all we're going to be looking at. So I'm going to write 4 down, 30, and 45. And I want to write the multiples of each. So we're now going to put them down to where they're just the primes. So 4 is 2 times 2. 30 is going to be 6 times 5. And this breaks down further because the 6 is 3 times 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. And the 5, I can't break it down further. So this is 3 times 2 times 5. 45 is 9 times 5. And this breaks down to 3 times 3, which is 9. Times 5. So let me just pull this over so they're all by each other. So now I'm going to have to ask myself, what is the highest power of each number? Well, the highest power of each number, I have to first look at how many numbers I have. So I have a 2, I have a 3, and I have a 5. So this is going to be 2, 3, and 5. What are the highest powers for each? For 2, this one is going to be, once I put it in power form, is 2 squared. This one I can't break down further. It's 3 times 2 times 5. And this one is going to be 3 squared times 5. So for 2, my highest power is going to be 2 squared. So 2 squared, because of this one right there. For 3, my highest power is 3 squared. And for 5, my highest power is just 1. So this means that my lowest common denominator is when I multiply these three numbers. So it would be 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. This is going to be 4 times 9 times 5, which comes out to 45 times 5, which equals 180. So your LCD is 180.